It's the day after Christmas and it's time to take down the tree, but you still need to eat. So we're gonna make a pot of taco soup, and it makes a huge pot so you can freeze a bunch of it for cold days in January. I'll show you how to make it. Stay tuned. Today we're making taco soup. It's a super easy recipe. You just dump everything in a pot, let it simmer, and then eat it. I've already browned 2 pounds of hamburger and drained them on paper towels, so that's ready to go. So I've got this in a stock pot, and it's on medium heat. To that I'm going to add some diced cooked onion. And for the exact ingredients and measurements, please visit my website, cateringbydebbicovington.com, for a printable copy of this recipe. So this is really easy. I'm just going to start dumping cans. I have 2 cans of pinto beans. Don't even have to drain them. Becky Trask gave me this recipe a long time ago, and I've made it multiple times because it's delicious and so easy. Now I have 2 cans of black beans that I'm dumping in, also undrained. This recipe also freezes very well, and it makes a big pot, so you can feed a lot of people and have a lot to eat in January. 2 cans of kidney beans. I like dark red kidney beans just because I like dark red kidney beans. I don't think there's much difference in the flavor. Then 2 cans of corn. You need a pretty big pot. This does make a lot. A can of diced tomatoes. And then a can of chili, diced tomatoes with green chilies, rotel tomatoes. If you don't like a little bit of spice, and it's just a tiny bit because there's so many other ingredients, you can use just another can of diced tomatoes. And 2 cans of diced green chilies. The seasonings for this soup are super easy. We're just going to use 1 pack of taco seasoning and 1 pack of ranch dressing seasoning. Snip the ends. You don't need to add salt and pepper. This is plenty. So we're going to mix all this in. You can already smell the taco seasoning. And now we just need to let it cook until it's warmed through, which will take about 30 minutes. After it's warmed through, you want to turn it down, let it simmer for about another 45 minutes, stirring every once in a while until it thickens up a bit. So we're going to do that, and then we'll be back. The taco soup is hot. It's time to taste. The only garnish I'm going to use is just a little bit of sour cream and some sliced green onions. Get a big bowl. It smells so good. A little blip of sour cream. A few green onions. It's hot. It's going to be so nice to be able to pull this out of the freezer next month on those cold winter January nights. I love this recipe. I think you will too. If you'd like to see more recipes like this, please subscribe. For complete ingredients and cooking instructions and to purchase cookbooks, visit cateringbydebbicovington.com.